Good morning to all of you. Today we will start from page number 44. Exercise 3.4. Here our first question is solve the following word problem. Use the required information only. So here our question A is in a train with 28 bogies 2740 people are traveling. Out of these 1560 were men. How many women were there in the train? So, how many total people in traveling in train? 2740. And we have given how many men are there? 1560. And our question is how many women are in the train. So what we can do in this question? We have to find woman number and total people are there and men are 1560 here. So what we can do? We have to minus this number to this number and we get our answer. So how we can do this? We can understand here. First, 2740 peoples were traveling. After that, how many men? One 1560 were men. Okay, so what we can do? We have to minus this number to this number and we get our woman. How many women in the train? So 0, this is 4. So what we can do? We have to take a borrow from 7. So we have 70. We have 14. Now we have to minus 6 with 14. So what we get? 8. Here we have 6, 1 and here we have 1. So this is your answer. So women, how many women? 1180 women were there in the train. Okay, so this is your answer. After this, question number B. The population of village A is 26,820. Village B, which is 125 km away, has a population of 37,648. How many more people are there in a village B? So here we have village A population. How many? 26,820. Now here we have 125 kilometer away has population how many? 27,648. So we have to find village B population. So what we can do in this? We have to minus village A population with this population. So we get our answer. So we can do this here. First of all, we have to write village. Question number B. Village A. Village A population how many? 26,820. After that 125 kilometer away has a population of how many? 37,648. So we have to find village B. Village B population we have to find. So first we have to write this number like this and minus our population, A village population, and minus it. So here we have 8, as it is we have to write. Here we have 4, so what we get 2. Here we have 16 and here 8. So this is not possible, we have to take a borrow from 7. So we have here 16. So we have to minus 8 from 16. What we get? 6. Now here we have 6 and here 6. 0 and 1. So this is our answer. What we get? 10,628 population of village B. Okay. Now we will come question number C. A photo album can hold 1,600 photos. Meera kept 623 photos in the album and her sister kept 529 photos. How many more photos can be put in the album? So total photos how many? 1,600 photos. Total photos hold in album. Meera kept how many? 623 photos. And her sister how many? 529 photos. And our question is, how many more photos can be put in the album? So what we can do in this? Firstly we have to add this number and this number. Whatever we answer get, we have to minus with 1,600. Okay, so how we can do this? We can understand here. Question C. First of all, Meera kept how many? Meera keeps 623 photos, right? And her sister keeps how many? 529 photos, right? So first we have to add both these numbers, and our total number, a photo album can hold 1600 photos, right? So first we have to add both these numbers. So first we have to write like this and add both these numbers. So 9, 10, 11, 12. We have to write here 2, 1 as carry, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is our first answer. Now after that we have to minus this number to this total number. So what is this? 1600, and we have to write our answer here and minus it. Here we have 0. This is not possible. We have to minus 2 from 0. So we have to take a borrow from this to this. So here we have to take 1. So we have here 10. After that we have to give 1 here. So we have here 9, and here we have 10. So we have to minus 2 from 10. We have 8. We have to minus 5 from 9. So we have 4. Here we have 5. We have to minus 1 from 5. So we have 4, and we have 0 here. So our answer is, final answer is 448. This is our answer. Okay. Now we will come question number D. At a school library, there are 3,650 books in maths and 1,110 books in Hindi. How many books are there in class in Hindi less than in maths at the library? So what we can do in this question? Just think what we can do. In a library, maths book number is 3,650, and Hindi books how many? 1,110. So we have to find less number of Hindi. How many more book of maths we have to find here? So what we can do? We have to minus our maths. We have to minus our Hindi book with maths book. So we have to find how many less Hindi books, right? So we have to understand this here. Our question number D. So first we have to write maths book in library. Math book in library how many? 3,650. Hindi book in library how many? 1,110. So we have to minus this number to this number, 3,650, and minus it. So here we have 0, here we have 5, we have to minus 1 with 5, so we get 4. Here we have 6, minus 1 from 6 we get 5 and 2. So this is our answer, 2,540. After this we will come in question number E. In a barrel with capacity of 4,500 bottles of oil, 2,860 bottles are kept. Out of this, 1,925 bottles of oil are removed. how many bottles of oil are left in a barrel now? Okay, now we have a barrel and the capacity of barrel is 4500 bottle of oil. How many bottle are kept in barrel? The capacity of barrel is 4500 bottles. Okay, so how many kept? 2860 bottles. So in this, how many removed? 1925 bottles of oil are removed from this. So your question is, how many are left? How many bottles are left in a barrel? So what we can do in this question, we have to minus this number to this number, so we get our answer. So do it. We have to do this. We have understand this question here. Question E. Okay. First, total capacity of barrel, how many? 4500. Now two 2860 bottles are kept and 1925 bottles are removed. Okay, so we have to get our answer, how many bottles are there in barrel. So what we can do, we have to minus this number to this number, 5291, minus it. Here you have 0. What we get, what we will do, we have to take a borrow from 6. We have 10 here, minus 5, what we get, 5. Here we have 5. Now what we can do, minus 2 from 5. Here we have 3. Here we have 8 and minus 9 from it, not possible, so we get a borrow from 2. So here we have 18 and minus 9 from 18. What we get, 9. Here we have 1 and 1, so we have 0. So answer is 935. 935. This is our answer.